House name is Merit. Number of meeting, business qualification, and the name of your sponsor.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Morning.
My name is Jennifer Villamor, but you can call me VJ. And I'm 27. I'm a single mom. I have one son. And then I work in QA. My sponsor today is my Lola, Rebecca Villamor.
Hello, good morning. I'm the people of Viola Junior. Just call me Aga Orcho. Hindi Aga Mulaka. Married, and of course, I have 5 children, and also I just retired last year to go shipping, diesel beast. And then my sponsor is Edward and Tammy.
Pagbutan, ate at kuya, mga Mercado. Um, my wife is Celia Mercado. Taga Lapu-Lapu ko. Pakutan, Lapu-Lapu. And my business profession is former OFW electrician from Middle East. And my sponsor, Mr. Sutiano.
Good morning. I'm Christian Toho, married with my wife, Toho. And I only have one kid, and I'm a BE, and my sponsor is Ate Mary.
Good morning everyone. My name is Phoebe Care to all. I am married with my husband. And then my business or profession is real estate. I'm a real estate broker and appraiser. And I'm also working as a VA. Um, and then our sponsor for today is Ate Marilyn. May buntag sa banan. Ako na si Anne Somalia. Then ang akong bang ako Adelaide. So, then ako ito ba ka anak ko meron na ako business is into then akong sponsor si Marlon. Good morning, everyone. My name is Joy Abubon, and I have married. I have two sons, Gabriel and Miguel. And my profession is I am an associate professor in Cebu Technological University. And my sponsor is Miss Karen.